store that we've gone to, they have those little sanitizer pads at the bottom, which is pretty cool. I don't know, maybe it's like bleach and water or some shit, but you have to put your feet in every time you go somewhere. Pretty cool. We should do that in America or something. This place to catch, and this is where we're going.
Yeah.
Okay, you're too late. Yeah. I'm such a tourist. You can say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, ding dongs. Cheese me. Later. So here's all of our food and snacks. We got pinwheels, Papa's Fritos, Pino Colados, Daddy Daddy. Guys, here's our little, why do they have this open? Does this fridge even work? Here's our little boutique. Here's our budget dollar, our budget hotel.
It's not bad for $55, huh? It's not bad for $55. It's pretty nice, but
Yeah. This tile's old as hell. It's like that rustic old look to it.
See, as an artisan, making ceramics.
Hello, guys.
I love you so much.
Wait, where are you?
Mwah. Hi, mommy. Hi, guys. Hey, ding dongs, diles. Hey, ding dongs. Hi.
I look bold.
Hi,
where are we? We're in Ensenada. We're in Ensenada.
Está muy brillante atrás.
Say cheers. Cheers. We're having a peeny peeny. It's a video.
Mom's drunk,
It's a
guys.
video.
She's drunk off one margarita.
We're at el Meson De Don Fernando.
Diego Rafael, Chacón, Perumen.
It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. The food.
No mojito, ¿no?
No, I'm getting the margarita with strawberry, he said.
Ah, ok. No te gusta. Yo tengo la botella. Sí, está bien. Ok.
Uy, mocha, whatever. Cajete. Carne asada, guisada. We're drunk.
Agua.
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 One more time. Agua.
Agua.
De las azules matas.
De las azules matas.
Tú me tumbas.
Tú me tumbas.
Tú me
Hasta me haces.
andar a gatas.
Agata.
Y en veces,
En veces.
ay, 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 cuchi, cuchi. Salud. My amiga, you understand?
No.
No,
I want to hear.
That means water from the blue plants, the tequila plants. You throw me down. You kill me. You make me crawl. And sometimes, ay, 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 cuchi, cuchi. Salud. La respiración, jóvenes. Salado. Muy importante. Like almonds. It's like almonds.
This is like
This is like cherry. At the end.
I like it.
How is it?
Chiguchi. Oh my god. What the hell? So, how was your little tequila factory?
It was good. We got a lot of coochie coochie up in there.
Right? And now?
I had like at least 8 or 9 shots. The guy just kept pouring them. He said they were unlimited, but then he fucking limited us to like 9 or 10. So I was like, what the fuck is this? But he was pretty drunk already, so I'm gonna start the tour.
Alright, great.
It was like his, I don't know, 20th tour that day. He said he drinks every time. I didn't believe him. He's Mexican. They always lie.
Seriously?
But-
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
He
But
was nice, though.
yeah, it was cool. Listen, Sinaloa, compa, Sinaloa.
Oh, he was kind of cute.
Wait, was it? The girl you was with, though, she was alright.
Shut up. No, she wasn't. Shut up. No, she wasn't. Okay, like, we're getting this out. It's the Norwegian Drew. Getting all this out. You suck, Jesus.
Norwegian.
No, thank you. He doesn't love me.
Usan las dalias, dicen. ¿No tiene dalias?
Where? ¿Dónde?
Ah.
¿Dónde está Dalias? Where's my baby? Hi, mi baby.
Agua. Agua. ¿Quieres ir a nadar, Emiliano? Bríncate. Bríncate.
bien que el cabrón desde allá venía.
Say, alright, ding dongs. So we are back from day 1 of Ensenada. Yes. We're leaving tomorrow. We're checking out tomorrow, Nanu. We're going back to Tijuana. And so, we've been here since Wednesday. And today is Friday. I don't know. I'm kind of like tired of tacos. Is that like a sin to say? Tired of tacos? Are you tired of tacos? I'm kind of tired of tacos. I don't know. Kind of want to like just try something different. Eat different stuff. I mean, tacos are good. Maybe, I don't know. I don't like fish tacos that much as regular tacos. But we had lunch at De Don Fernando, wherever. Yeah. The drinks were bomb and cheaply, like we like them. And we went swimming. Did I record? I don't know. Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? How's Ensenada treating you? Good. Good. Say, all right, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Cuchi, ay, ay, ay.
Okay, you're annoying. Oh, I forgot. Their door's not thin or whatever. Oh, and we went to the tequila tasting room. Okay, say bye. Bye. Hey guys, hi ding dongs. So we're currently at Los Veleros. It's our last day of Ensenada. It's supposed to be about like 90 degrees today, not too hot. We're just waiting for breakfast. It's like 10 or something. Sad we're leaving Ensenada, but this restaurant's really good. They have great food, fancy, not too expensive. And so yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day here at Ensenada. Maybe go on a boat tour or something. And yeah, we're just waiting for breakfast. See you then.
Muy buenas, por cierto, son de maíz amarillo. Son frescas. ¿Huevito? ¿Ya estás comiendo algo? You're eating banana.
Yes.
Chipuchi.
Left Ensenada. We're at the Valley of Guadalupe. It's about 1,000 degrees outside. I don't know, at least 100, but it's like as soon as you open the window, it's like hot and sweaty. Baby's sleeping right now. We went on a little harbor tour at Ensenada. Do not go on the JOGETE, whatever it's called. Worst, awkwardest boat ride ever. The captain was kind of like a dick because he was smoking a cigarette and like that shit stinks, right? And there was only one other family, and then us just at the top of the boat, and like they had a baby too, and we have a baby. And the guy from the other family asked if the guy could like put out the cigarette or like smoke it, whatever, if he minded putting it out, because like the babies are up here. And he was just being like a little dick, and he's like, I'm the captain of this boat. Of course, this was like a whole argument in Spanish, so I didn't really hear everything, but I got the gist of it. They were clearly arguing, and he was just being like a dick. He's like, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I don't know, he was rude. So he's like, you guys can go sit down there if you don't want to smell the smoke or whatever. And like, yeah, it was just awkward and weird. So do not go on the JOGETE if you're down at on the dock in Ensenada. Go on any of the nicer boats. And that boat was kind of raggedy. Not kinda. The boat was raggedy looking anyways, and they don't really have any. It was just, yeah, no bueno. Hi, Tinky. Hi. Hi. Hi, Stinky. So there are a few places that are nice here in Tijuana. We're at the Zona Rio, Plaza Rio. One of them, it's like a little shopping center, outdoor type thing. And they also have a casino here. COVID times, guys. It's about 7 o'clock, day 4, last day here. We're leaving tomorrow back to California. It's only 97 degrees today. Thought I could make it without getting sick, but here we are. My stomach hurts kinda. Not kinda, it does. I thought I could beat it, you know, but I just feel like poop again. And I don't know what I ate. Maybe it was the Fraises con crema, the water, the chilorio, I don't know. But we're here. It's hot as fuck. It was like 106 degrees today. We literally did nothing. We just slept and stayed inside the house and waited for it to cool down. And now we're here, and this is life. We made it. We're back in America. Say 0 wait times. We're here on Roll Drive, Via de la Amistad. There's the, can't even see anything. Whatever, it's that way.
What's that way?
It's that way, guys. I wanted to record like the border, but
That way.
you can't.